Hey everybody, it's Demetrick here from TDW Woodworks. I appreciate you checking in here and just doing a little bit of an update, so to speak. I've been out of the shop a little bit. I've been down, haven't been feeling real well, so I've been kind of just laying low, working on a couple projects around the house, nothing really woodworking related. But the other thing I've been doing is, in my downtime, is I've been drawing a lot. Now, because we're woodworkers, I consider myself, and everybody who's a woodworker should consider themselves an artist at heart. That's truly what they are. So one of the things I like to do is I like to doodle and draw and sketch. Now, I don't necessarily come up with plans, but I like to kind of come up with ideas and drawings and sketches, and sometimes those go to the scanner and onto the computer, and I kind of work with it from there. But I just finished a sketchbook. Now normally I just stick it on I got like a stack of them on the shelf, but I thought, what would be a fun video would be just to simply flip through my latest sketchbook. Again, it's nothing too fancy, but I got no one else to share it with, so I thought I'd share it with you, the subscriber to my channel. So hope you enjoy it. Here's a quick little video of my latest sketchbook, and you have yourself a great day.